Let's talk about Immutable X. And guys, never say never again, because here, like you remember, in Zone 24, I posted the video. So basically, it's not a right time to hop in, even with the targets. I guess this target will be reached at this matter of time. But here, when we traded around the March and spring 24, it was not the great time to buy. Right, definitely, it looks like we have to go straight forward to the new all-time high and test $6.89. But guys, it was so obvious, so we will drop lower because we formed, first of all, we formed the impulse, correction, impulse, rejected 61 level fee. One reason for correction. Second one, we traded way over exit line on the weekly. It's for me, it's always bearish case when we trade way over exit line. After that, we landed back to test the buy line. It was a 90 cents test. People also screaming we never drop to your zone of interest because zone of interest, it's 13 cents and 45. It's a 27 zone. So we track this fee, I guess, since zone 23. And nothing changes, so I don't need to redraw every single time the fee, just to sell you some information like, oh, take a look, I'm a genius. I'm not a genius, I'm just basic retail, but I'm just mark the price and stick to that price, stick to the zone of interest. And if the token not drop to zone of interest, I just skip it. So I'm always on these channels about the plan. So we have to build a personal plan, which is comfortable, personal for you. This plan at the end can be right or wrong. It's pretty simple. You can't be right every single time for every single token. But if you got like, I don't know, 51% win rate on your ideas, and you trade at ideas, you can be profitable on a distance, right? And you not just gamble. Like I made like 200% profit, but after that, 150 losses percent, and after that 120 losses. So at the end I'm in losses. So what's the point of that 200% profit? So now we trying, of course, on that Donald dump, we dump it almost to the bottom, like 13 cents. I miss it. I don't even add alert here. That's why it would be good to see the retest of 45 cents. If not, I'm more than okay. Now the test monthly open is 68 cents. BTC looks now like they trying to put the price to 118 or 119. And after that, after the FOM's meeting, press conference, they will dump a BTC again by end of the month. So I'll be not surprised. But for alts, it can be the good chance when a BTC hit 118K and go into correction again. I hope the BTC dominance go down and the alts can perform a little bit. So the monthly open for Immutable X is 68 cents. I wish to see, of course, this week the correction to 45 and 9, maybe a little bit lower, like 43, right? And it's going to be the good entries, I guess, for the spot. For the futures, of course, we have to trade on daily time frame and 4-hour time frame, some smaller one. Definitely, guys, I believe sooner or later we will bounce to the yearly open. It's $1.32. Take profit line $1.67. Exit line is $1.90 here, around 23 level FIP. I believe in this one, in 1.61 level FIP, like a new all-time high for Immutable X. Is this possible? So we go into the crazy bear market, like this one, and go down? Yes. Nobody knows the future, guys. That's why we build a plan. And I recommend you, if you want to buy now, for example, 54 cents. So just don't be so greedy. And at yearly open test, just withdraw initial deposit. So you will lose nothing. You will lose potential unrealized P&L, right? Profit. But guys, better play safe, right? Because the main goal is save initial deposit, after that increase it, because the people chase crazy gains because they want to be reached so fast. Just better cycle after cycle, increase your deposit and play safe, and on distance you will be profitable, right? Not just like a gambler. So the zones relevant. Take a look at the daily. daily for correction. I wish to see the test of the buy line again, so it's 40 cents. Would be good. Maybe at 40 cents, I will open the futures position. So let's add alerts. Buy line on a daily. I wish to see the buy line on a daily. It's 40 cents. Yes, round number. Take profit now. It's a weekly open, by the way. Take profit 79.5. Exit line it's 89.8. So now I guess we're not even in the middle. I wish to see the drop. Yes, it sounds weird, right? But I wish to see. It doesn't mean it will happen, but it can be like potential 26% drop, test, and continuation. But if you feel okay to buy now, you can buy it. Buy line now 43.8 on 12 time frame. Also possible to test. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 13 cents. If we will drop to 13 cents, I will going to buy the Immutable X on a spot. So this is my plan. Monster time frame looks like we're already past the bottom. So I hope to see the continuation up. And take a look, on the monster time frame, it can be like double bottom. And when we form, I don't know, to $3.91, I believe we're going to pass the $6.89. But nobody knows the future, guys. We have to build a plan. Just at least build a plan and follow your plan. Let's double check with indicators, guys. This updates, here was a time also to sell in February, March 2024. It was so obvious on a monster time frame, so overhyped at Immutable X. Yes, time to sell. Now we are in like a middle line. It's neutral. I can't say some extra bullish, right? And imagine the smell if the BTC going down to bear market, crazy bear market. The Immutable X will crash like this one and even under. It's also possible, guys. We work only with the possibilities. But I'm more about the continuation up because we didn't see the liquidity rotation into alts. So I hope the big guys don't want to just to fix a profit from the BTC in the stages in stable coins. I hope it's not, it will not happen, because it makes no sense. If you can make a lot of money with just altcoins, why not do this? Anyway, you control the market. Base it on ADZ on a weekly. Now also it's neutral. Take a look how overhyped we be here. In December 2023, we formed a huge divergence, top and drop. Now it's not a time to sell. Based on direction, we just test the middle line. Daily, test the middle line, so it's neutral. Market mode, daily it's disbelief. Weekly, disbelief. It's bullish, I mean. Monthly, it's kind of interesting, but it's still a hyped zone. Some news, Raven Quest will be unlocked in this October. Maybe, Ethereum Ascendant. I don't know what it is. Need to read. October 31, so I don't know, maybe, they will push the price a little bit higher to the monthly open, and after that, drop it down in the first week of November. That's why, guys, my plan is wait 45, 43, 40 cents. Of course, much better if we're going to drop to 40 cents to open some futures position for Immutable X. Now it's a total disbelief on weekly time frame, 12 time frame, also disbelief. So I wish to see the drop to 40 cents. If not, I'm going to skip it. Global targets, guys, I still believe we will hit the new all-time high. 12 time frame here, we're at the top. Soon I think we will see the money outflow, so be careful. Daily time frame, I wish to see one more drop and some money inflow like it was here in September 25. After that, we bounced it from here 48 cents to 96. It was a pretty good one, so the people fixed the 100% profit. And now no money inflow yet. Weekly, here was a money outflow, September 22. And now no money inflow. That's why, guys, maybe makes sense or scalp intraday or just wait the first week of November for buying opportunity. Monthly here, this is definitely not a time to sell. So time to sell will be here at the top with some signals to take profit 1, 2, and 3 months in a row. They fix the profit step by step. Makes sense. And the last indicator, guys, trade on. No data on the monthly, weekly. Weekly, we still didn't see the signals to buy. Here was a sell, only buybacks. So I wish to see that drop to 40 cents, maybe signals to buy. Daily also, we didn't see the signal take profit, sell, buy back. Now nothing. 12 time frame here was a signal take profit, some buy, recommendation, close position. That's why, guys, I wish to see the drop to 40 cents around here. I'm gonna add even the alert around here. So maybe at 40 cents I will try to catch some knives and open the futures position. It's hard to say where to add a stop loss, guys. So that's gonna be the tough question for me. I don't know. Just gonna count the risk. So maybe there's gonna be that 10%, like 36 cent stop loss with second leverage to a monthly open test. It's going to be 20% against the 130, and to yearly open, it's going to be the good trade, like 20% risk against the 450% profit. Nice one. So I'm gonna wait it, and I don't want to open position now. Just need to see some pullback on a BTC, and the decision from the after the FOM's press conference, right? Jerome Powell, I guess they will cut the rates again, and I hope the BTC dominance will go down. Now BTC dominance 59.7. So guys, I hope you like this video. I explained to you my local plan for Immutable X. I'm not rushing now. I'm not touching Immutable X now. And I believe in the spot position, we can hit the new all-time high. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Immutable X. If you'd like to trade with my customer said, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.